In WhatsApp, we used to chat with many people, but with some people, we used to chat frequently. In WhatsApp, if you want to pin some contacts, you can do that. After that, whenever we are opening WhatsApp, that chat will appear first, even if there is new message. Anyways, to pin any contact in WhatsApp, what you need to do is open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, long press on the contact which you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this contact. For that, I want to long press on this contact. After that, here you can see one pin button. Just click on this pin button. When you are clicking on that, that contact will be pinned. After that, even if anyone is messaging you also, new message will appear in second place only. In first place, you can see this pinned contact. If you want to pin more contacts, what you need to do is long press on the contact, and again here you can see pin button. Just click on that pin button. Now 2 contacts are pinned. So you can pin how much contacts you want. So this way you can pin any contacts in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.